Derrick Rose is back in the lineup for the Cavs, and they need everything they can get right now. They're playing some bad basketball here early in the season. But the story tonight is going to be Tim Hardaway Jr. with 34 points, and Porzingis, he had 32 points with 12 rebounds. They could not stop Hardaway Jr. They can't stop anybody. That's the problem with the Cavs. Their defense, it's really bad right now. So bad that even the New York Knicks are exposing how bad it is. And the Cavs, they've lost to some bad teams. It's not just the Knicks. Look at Porzingis and one on Kevin Love. They're running whoever offense. It doesn't matter who it is. Here's Jay Crowder in the trade. Remember, you guys said that Jay Crowder was a great defender. He was going to be the stopper for Kevin Durant in the finals. I don't know about all that. LeBron James distributing, getting the assist. Kyle Korver off the screen. But the Cavs are down big here with 9 minutes to go. They have time to make the comeback. But is it too little too late? They're popping threes. Here goes LeBron being a freight train. Straight to the basket, moving bodies. But the Knicks, they kept their foot on the gas. A very good showing from them. This is just their second win of the season. But this is a big win on the road as well. And the Cavs, they're going to lose 3 straight games. And you know the other team, they're shaking in their boots now. They're not celebrating anymore. They're definitely not. You know they're on the edge of their seats. That's a bad double team. Splash! What a cold-blooded 3 from Noobs. It is a 1-point game. Wow. This is why you play this game. For moments like this.